Hey guys, welcome to Jash Outline. Today's video is about Mi Box 4K TV unboxing and initial impressions. So let's get started. Mi Box packaging is vibrant with the color combination of orange and white. There are a lot of things mentioned on the box like Mi Box 4K. It is powered by Android TV OS. It has a lot of channels in it like YouTube, Hotstar, Netflix, Prime, Z5, etc. This device has Chromecast built in it, and this device works with Google Voice Assistant also. Left side of the box, it shows what are the components present in the box. Back side of the box, it shows the key specifications of the Mi Box, which is HDR10 plus support, 64-bit quad-core processor, Google Voice Assistant support, and Chromecast built in it. Right side of the box, it has the steps how to connect to this Mi Box 4K to your TV. Let's unbox the box and check out the components in it. These are the components inside the box, and let's check them one by one. The Mi Box is very small and compact device. It is pretty thin too. I love the compactness of this device and it looks very minimal and stylish. Though it is made up of plastic, the hardware quality of this device looks good. The Mi logo has embedded on this device and it looks cool. Backside of the box, again there is Mi and Mi Box logo and some sticker with its serial number. Here we can see the aux cable port, HDMI port, USB port where you can use pen drives or hard disks, and one more thing which is the power supply port. This Mi Box TV remote is pretty small and thin. The looks of the remote is pretty stylish. This remote has dedicated button for Amazon Prime, Netflix and Google Voice Assistants. The Mi logo at the bottom of the remote looks pretty simple and stylish. Backside of the remote, it has battery compartment where you need to place AA batteries. Another thing is that HDMI cable provided in the box, and the quality of the cable is pretty good. Length of the cable is less, but it is sufficient. And the last one is the power adapter, and the quality of the adapter is average. They can provide much more quality power adapter, but they didn't. Let's set up this Mi Box to my TV now. The setup process is simple. First, you need to establish the connection between the remote and Mi Box as shown on the screen using Bluetooth. After this, select the language in which you want to continue setup process and by connecting to Wi-Fi. Then set up Google account using your Android phone or in the normal process. I used normal way as I don't have Android phone right now. After setting up and updating the box with the new software update, this is how the interface looks. It looks pretty neat, clean and simple. This Mi Box runs on Android 9 version and it is the latest Android OS in TVs. Now let's check out some visuals and some 4K visuals. The quality of the visuals are looking stunning. Let's play some 4K footage from YouTube, and here it is. "4K footage looks crisp and awesome." The Mi Box has quad-core processor in it and a 2GB RAM with inbuilt 8GB memory. The UI runs pretty fast and smooth with the help of this 2GB RAM and the quad-core processor. The response is pretty great. As it's an Android OS, we can install several apps from Play Store like this, and we can install few games also like this. Let's play this game and see how it runs. The game runs pretty smooth and I had played using the buttons on the remote. We can also sideload apps using pen drive connecting to this device. So that's it guys for this video. If you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because much more content coming up. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, chill out and keep rocking.